Alright, it's the Great Plague 2021. This shit's like something out of the Bible. See these little things? They're fucking everywhere. So what they do is they come out of the ground and they climb up on trees. And so there's an empty exoskeleton with one that's coming out of it. They're ugly as sin. They're fucking everywhere. Oh, here's another one down here. And they're all over the fucking fence. I don't know if you can see this. These things are fucking everywhere. They come out of the ground every 17 years. And they get out of their little shell. And they go up into the trees. And I don't know if you can hear it. Let me see if I can walk back this way. See if you can hear the fucking noise they make. Just listen. See how they split their shell right there and they climb out? Fucking bizarre. But that's that weird noise that you may or may not be able to hear. Coming from up in the trees. And this just started, so it'll get louder in about a week or so as more of them continue to come out. Look, see, they're already on the fucking side of my shed. Fucking everywhere, man. Thousands of them. See all these little holes in the ground? I don't know if we can see them. See a little hole right there? Right there. Right there. This is where these things come from. And they're fucking everywhere. Oh, there's a live one right. I don't know if you can see them. There's a live one in there. Oh, there's one right there. Couple of them. Anyways, that's life in the Midwest.